Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you all are good and safe at home. I'm your social studies teacher. Let's start today's class. The book we are going to read is World Watch, Week 3 and lesson number 1. We are going to read chapter number 6 and the name of this chapter is Goods and Services. After learning this chapter, you will know about goods and services. You will also learn about that people work to earn money and money is used to buy goods and services. Let's do some warm-up activity. Can you tell me what do doctors do for us and what are medicines that we buy from medical stores? So, this is the answer that doctors do services for us and medicines we buy are goods. Same as the meals that you order in a restaurant are goods, the waiter who serves you is providing you with a service. Many people in Pakistan who live in small towns and villages earn a living by farming or fishing and many other jobs. And the people who live in large towns and cities do many different kind of jobs in factories, shops, hospitals, schools or offices, or they work in other homes. As you can see in the picture that people are doing farming, and in other picture you can see doctors working in hospitals. So all these jobs help people to earn money. Some people do jobs of serving other people and some create goods for us. As you can see, people are working in factory to earn money and in the right picture, chefs are making food for us. So, what are goods? Goods are objects that we can bought, sold and used. There are different kind of goods. For example, some of them we can grow. Some are dug up from the earth like oil, gas, water. They are actual objects that can be seen and touched. Good may include things such as rice, fish, oil, books, cars, films, clothes and machinery. What are services? Services are work done by people for others. These include things such as teaching, nursing, building, cleaning, repairing, and serving in banks, shops, and restaurants. Like I am teaching you, I am serving you. The bankers who work in banks also serve us. The home workers also serve us. These services are also sold. All the services providers get paid for their work. So, what is service communication? Communication means to pass on news or information to others. Just like I am talking to you, I am sharing information with you. There are many different ways of communication. For example, letter and emails are used for written information. Phone is used for speaking and texting. You can share your idea on Facebook or Twitter. We can also take information from radio and television, as well as newspapers and magazines. So, these are images of the ways of communication. It is a newspaper, email, Facebook, television and radio. These are the letters and mobile phones. You know, the first text message in the world was sent in December 1992. So let's see what are services banks. Banks offer a service. They keep our money in a safe place. There are many different banks in Pakistan. The State Bank of Pakistan is owned by government. So we can save our money in banks and we can also save our expensive things in banks. For your understanding, I attached the video link, and the duration of this video is 5 minutes 14 seconds. So these are the dictation words from this chapter. Let's read out them. First word is farming, fishing, factories, hospitals, provide, machinery, teaching, nursing, repairing, services, communication, information, social media, television, newspaper, magazines, government, community, special, fire brigade, city councils, accident, dangerous, firefighters, purposeful, savage, and the last word is counter. This is the assignment for you. Read book page number 36 and 37. Learn dictation words and write them in your notebook. Do workbook page 23 and page number 24, part B. These are the rules for notebook maintenance. Write day and date on the top of your notebook. Homework must be done in proper cursive writing. Draw heading lines under each heading with blue color. Draw a margin line on every page of your notebook. Notebook should be kept in a good condition throughout the term. In the next lecture, we will discuss about how government help us by providing special services for everyone in the community. We will discuss about some of these services. So in this lecture, we discuss about the goods and services. We learned about the different ways of communication, and we also learned about the services of banks. Hope you have understood and enjoyed today's class. May Allah keep you in His protection. Stay safe. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.